3, January 2020. I dreamed that the Iranian government was reduced to a terrible size after the American attack killed Iranian General Qasem Soleimani. It seems to me that the major leaders of the Middle East, along with Iran, are all saying that we will take revenge this time. The faces I saw in the dream matched the faces of the great leaders of the Middle East. Then I saw 2 American fighters flying and training in the sky. Suddenly 5 fighter jets came from the other side, and an American fighter jet surrounded and destroyed the plane. I was very close to it and saw it all. I was saying they destroyed an American fighter jet and it was not a good job. It is not right to do this without understanding with a strong country like America. Then they shot down another American plane. The Muslims on the ground were very happy to see this and cheered. The pilot is very happy and says we have taken revenge against America. But other Muslims of the world were surprised and wondered how this happened. Now America will take extreme revenge and it will not be an ordinary thing. I find myself in the Middle East. The houses are still in good order. But when America attacks, everything will be destroyed and panic will prevail. I decided to leave before